Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another really awesome unboxing to share with you guys. This time two MARFIONE custom knives. Really excited about this. I have already been in them, and that's because Jeff sent me more than one thing, and I want to... The stuff needs to be in its own unboxing video, but I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I don't know if you can tell by the week, but I have some crazy stuff coming to the channel, and this today's unboxing is part of that. So expect some ridiculously epic unboxings for the next couple of weeks or so. This was sent to me, of course, like I mentioned, by @GoodNowJeff on Instagram. Jeff is one of my closest friends that I've made since I've started my YouTube channel, and he was the first person to send me a really amazing knife, and I think he kind of started, kind of set off a trend, and really helped me keep the content flowing, and I met a lot of people additionally because of him, and Jeff, thank you so much, man. This is awesome. I know people really enjoy watching me unbox the stuff that you send me, so it's really cool. Thank you so much. Thank you also to my generous patrons who are supporting me during this time. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and get your hands on some of these cool stickers, there's, of course, a link down in the description. Let's go ahead and open this one first. So these are full customs. They come with, right now, apparently a really sweet box, and then you get the pouch with the detachable, it's like a metal... the MARFIONE dagger, and it comes with the authenticity card, microfiber cloth, a whole bunch of really cool stuff. So this guy here, this is the first time I have ever handled this knife, and it's interesting having just handled the ZT0777. This is a MARFIONE custom matrix. Actually, you can see right there, two-tone stone washed and carbon fiber on the blade. Beautiful knife. Look at that glass breaker. So I'm not traditionally one that needs a glass breaker or even necessarily really enjoys it, but I can't help but appreciate how cool it looks. I also really like on these MARFIONE customs, the dagger logo, and then I think it actually also reads, it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, it looks like maybe the bird. This is a mini matrix. Interesting. But I didn't know that. Well, I mean, of course, you guys will get all this information when I actually do the review. Unbelievably lightweight. It fooled me because this feels like a full-size knife. The flipping action is ridiculous. Also, much like a lot of other MARFIONE or Microtech knives, the sound it makes is awesome too. These get insanely thin behind the edge. Insanely thin behind the edge. I love this. This is a finish that I feel like I don't see often from MARFIONE, and this very reflective stonewash. Look at that nice fuller that's sort of attached to the or part of the thumb hole opener that I'm using, that I'm reverse flicking, and then you have this sort of sub frame lock that's attached to the carbon fiber scale. Beautiful, really cool backspacer, really cool pocket clip. Lots going on here with this knife. This is awesome. If that's a mini, I wonder how big the full-size matrix is. Oh my goodness. And then up next, it's similar packaging, of course. This one I've had out and played with quite a bit, actually, so the microfiber cloth is not on it. But this one's one that I previewed on the live stream. This is my first time, I mean, not like as of on camera, but like this is the first Microtech die rack that I have ever handled. And just looking at it in pictures, I thought, that is such an amazing, overall design, perfect symmetry. And then you have the firing switch on the face, the main show scale, which I think is a better position for an OTF. But take a look at this blade, guys. Fully mirror polished, perfect dagger blade. Oh my goodness. To me, this is like the quintessential, like the perfect EDC sized OTF. Now, remember, guys, I mean, these are custom, so these are really expensive. But at least with the die rack, and I don't know about the mini matrix, we'll find. I'll leave a link for Microtech knives in general down in the description, so you guys can check out the standard production forms and the custom forms to see the difference. But the standard production version of the die rack is actually totally reasonable. I don't know exactly what this guy costs, but I'm gonna guess it's 1,000 plus. But Yeah, the die rack is an amazing sized EDC, and this one, of course, is just perfect. Blade is perfect. Beautiful, beautiful mirror polishing. Always love. I've only gotten to experience Microtech mirror polishing just a few times. Let me get this nice and close for you guys. Oh, I'm so sorry. There's a couple of fingerprints on it. Those are mine. Beautiful. Anodized titanium hardware. Love the firing switch in this guy. Love the polished pocket clip as well. Just wonderful. Look at the anodized glass breaker back here. Beautiful. And then they've got a different finish on the frame. Oh my gosh. Really, really epic. Can't wait to talk about those two. Expect to see reviews soon on the channel. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Like I said, check out Microtech Knives down in the description if you guys want to see what they've got going on. If you enjoyed this video, or at least it was mildly entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this metal complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.